Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to continue the gummy fun today, and we're going to have some protein gummies, and I'm real excited about these. These are probably my absolute favorite ones I've made yet. They taste so good. They taste like candy. They just taste like candy. But anyway, before we get into that, I just want to take a quick minute and thank you guys for all of your support, let you know how much we appreciate all of the likes and the shares and the comments. That helps our channel out so much, and we appreciate you for doing that. So keep it coming, and we do pay attention to all of those comments. So keep letting us know what you've enjoyed seeing, what you'd like to see more of, and what questions you have so we can incorporate those into upcoming videos. And if there's some kind of a recipe or some kind of a thing that you want, like gummies, wasn't even on my radar. That was you guys. You asked for gummies, and here we are having a blast. So keep that stuff coming. Also, I want to let you guys know that you can now sign up for email notifications to receive an email directly from Maurice and myself every time we post a new video. Plus, if you sign up, when we send you the notification, we're also going to send you the recipe card via email that we send to every one of our clients. And this is probably the most exciting. Plus, we'll also send you our most popular tips and tricks for how to make the best shakes just as soon as you sign up. So that will come to you right away. Anyway, let's get this mixed up. So what we're going to use today, protein gummies. We're going to make, we're going to use our Herbalife beverage mix, and this is a protein beverage mix, 15 grams of protein, no sugar, clean, delicious, only 70 calories per serving, and what I'm going to show you today is only going to be half of that. So we're going to do half servings as a serving, so it's only 35 calories for 7 grams of protein, and it tastes like you're eating candy. It just doesn't get any better than that, in my opinion, because I like that kind of thing. Anyway, so we're going to use this. We're going to use 3 scoops of our protein beverage mix. We're also going to use some just general unflavored gelatin. You can pick this up at just about any grocery store. These happen to be packaged in packets, which most of them are, and the packets are 1/4 of an ounce or 7 grams, and each of these packets equals about a tablespoon. So when I'm talking in tablespoons or packets, this way you can do the math for however yours is packaged up. So we're going to be using 2 packets of this today and 1/2 cup of warm water. Now there's a couple of tricks. If you've seen our other gummy videos already, we're going to do a couple of things just a little bit different in this one today. Also, we're going to use just basic candy molds to make them small and bite size and fun. You can get candy molds in just about any size. What we're going to do today, 1 serving is going to be 5 gummies. So we're going to use 3 scoops of our beverage mix, and each scoop will fill up one of these 5 gummy rows. So we'll have 3 servings. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put 1/2 cup of hot water into our measuring cup, and in a separate bowl. So I'm just going to use this, some kind of a small bowl. We're going to mix the gelatin and the beverage mix together first so that the powders don't individually clump. So we're going to go 3 scoops. 1, 2, 3. And we're also using 2 packets, which would be 1/2 of an ounce or 14 grams, however yours is measured. I'll put that right in there, and now we're going to stir these together really well before adding them to the water. Okay, now we have the beverage mix in here and the gelatin in here, and we're just going to mix them together a little bit. Now I have learned working with these gummies that the gelatin sets up really fast. So it's really smart to have your frother or whatever you're mixing with going before you start pouring the gelatin in. And since we have the gelatin and the beverage mix together here, so I'm going to get the water going first and then pour it in. And try to keep it from clumping if you can. And this gets to be a pretty thick mixture pretty fast. So just keep this mixing, probably 30 to 60 seconds, keeping this going. Knock all of the clumps out, just get it mixed up. And this, you guys, if you ever made cherry jello with your mom, that's exactly what this smells like right now. Did I say cherry jelly? I think I meant cherry jello. All right. And since these are so flexible, I want to be able to get them into the refrigerator without spilling. So I'm just going to put it on a little piece of cardboard, just something stiff that I can pick it up with. All right, now we pour these in. So, and I have some left. Waste not, want not, right? So now I just have some, these are just, I think they're water bottle ice cube molds. I'm just going to put some in there, so I'm not wasting. All right, there we go. Now I'm just going to pop these in the refrigerator. Takes about 30 to 60 minutes. They set up really fast. So I'm going to refrigerate these for a little bit, and then we'll pop them out together and see what happens. Be right back. Okay, and we're back. It's been about 45 minutes now, and I'm pretty sure that these are completely done. These set up faster than any of the others with the protein beverage mix. Remember, we also have the beverage mix in the peach mango. So if you like the wild berry or the red ones, totally do that. You could make the exact same thing with the peach mango, and those are delicious also. All right, so let's pop these out and see what we've got. Looks good. Smells better. So there we go. These are so much fun to make, and you can really do gummies with all kinds of things just using that same combination. Half a cup of water, dissolve your product in there, and then use the 2 tablespoons or 2 packets of gelatin. You could use any of your herbal tea concentrates. I have a lot more ideas. We're going to be back with more gummies, but you can do the other flavor, peach mango beverage mix. You can do any of the teas, any flavor of the lift-offs, and I'm going to try and figure out how to, I think I already have it figured out, but I'm going to make some of our mega tea recipes into gummies. That's going to be epic. All right, so stay tuned for that. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.